Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. I'm in Anchorage, Alaska, and once again, I'm out there having a good time and seeing the country and meeting a lot of great people. Do you enjoy what you do? If you don't enjoy what you do, it might be time for a change. Maybe real estate can help you, maybe it can't. But what I want to tell you is look to see what you can do right now that might make a difference in your life. If you believe that real estate can help you out, what I'll tell you to do is learn as much as you can. Get out there and make some friends. Get out there and find people that are doing it and find out how they did it. What's making them successful? How are they finding deals? If you often network with people, people are very nice. A lot of times people have a lot to share. So maybe it can help you in your area where you're at right now, because I want to see you make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.